I'm here to present one of the most important recent Staraglass projects, the design and realization of the second Centauro plant for the company OI in San Polo, Treviso, Italy. OI is the world leader in glass bottle manufacturing, and we are particularly proud of how such a big company embraced our technology. Centauro is a hybrid system for glass furnace heat recovery that in many cases, like this, can guarantee a huge improvement in all performances: the energetic performance, the ambient performance and of course the economic performance. Many operating parameters concur to define the performance of a glass furnace, and a proper dimensioning considers all of them. This furnace produces colored bottles, and this allows us to find the goal of achieving a very low consumption, also by the means of the utilization of a large percentage of glass cullet. The software that we developed for furnace thermal design is GFS, Glass Furnace Simulator. Beyond some operating parameters which are given by a type of production, like the utilization of electrical boosting, like the pool, like glass temperature, there are other two factors we can work on to change the input parameters and achieve a better consumption. One is the input of the thermal loss of the plant, and the other is the heat recovery system that has to be designed. We have different mathematical models to compute all the types of heat recovery system that can be utilized in the world of glass. And since Centauro is a hybrid furnace, we have to utilize in this case to compute it two programs in parallel. The one who computes the ceramic regenerative chambers and the one who computes the metal recuperators. We design the walls of the furnace and we calculate the total thermal loss utilizing TLE, Thermal Loss Express, and another program that we developed internally that stores all the properties of the material, including the chemical properties, the conductivity curve, the limit of utilization temperature, and with this program, imputing the dimensions of the furnace, we are able to define the total thermal loss. This, of course, includes all the thermal bridges that we calculate separately with dedicated finite elements models. The goal of these computings is to have all the materials, both the ceramic and the metallics, working within their operational limits. And in this way we want to achieve the best performance on all the points of view: the thermal point of view, the structural point of view, and of course the economic point of view. Compared to last campaign of this furnace, which utilized a unit melter technology, with the Centauro technology we are able to preheat combustion air at a degree which is higher of about 500 Celsius degrees. And this implies a consumption reduction of about 40%, with all the consequent diminution of pollutions of CO2 and all other pollutants. Furthermore, Centauro is the only type of heat recovery system in the glass industry that allows the setup of SNCR system for NOx abatement. This solution can allow to abate something like 60, even 80% of the NOx production with a very simple and very cost-effective solution. Beyond the thermal design, of course, there is a structural one. All the support structure, all the steelworks are verified by professionals with the most reliable and actual software. The metal recuperators we design are built in selected workshops under our supervision. The construction time plan considers all the timings of the delivery time of the special metal, and also considers all the tests that have to be performed during construction. All the construction workers are extremely trained for their tasks. In particular, all the welders have a European license for welding. After the final inspection test, that includes pressure tightness test, the recuperators are ready to be delivered. The components are taken to the plant in their final shape, and they are laid in position in a simple way with the lowest utilization of big lift equipment. We built our double shell recuperators in a self-bearing support structure that allows to cut down very much the time of the setup, still guarantee an extreme reliability and precision on the setup.